The laboratory. It serves a key role in the medical diagnosis and treatment of patients. Within the clinical laboratory test field, accuracy, speed, safety, and high throughput are imperative. In the 1980s, IDS succeeded in completing a series of analyses involving the processing of body fluid samples. IDS was the first globally to develop and deploy clinical sample processing transport systems using individual sample transportation. Prior to clinical laboratory automation, sample processing introduced risks to the laboratory staff and patients. Automating these steps not only frees up much-needed skilled labor, but improves quality and enhances turnaround time for timely results. IDS has led the world in automating clinical laboratory testing. We work with global IVD analyzer manufacturers to facilitate and sell our products. We've captured a global share in the field of clinical sample processing and transport systems. These clinical sample management steps include sample identification and receipt, sorting, centrifugation, aliquot, and transportation to and from the analyzers, followed by storage and output. Currently, the automation of clinical sample testing is established worldwide, and the sample transport system of IDS continues in its leadership role. Why? Because our unparalleled flexibility, versatility, and reliability cannot be matched. In the field of clinical laboratory testing, the demands of each laboratory are diverse. The automated sample processing line should not be the primary influence for analyzer selection. The IDS automated sampling processing line connects to about 100 clinical analysis models. An IDS open automation system allows the laboratory to select the most appropriate analyzers and configurations to meet their particular needs. There is no restriction by the analyzer. In other words, for the laboratory, it's possible to customize the layout freely without being restricted by the connection restrictions, and to easily change the model, as well as increase or decrease the number. In addition, in order to satisfy the demands in a timely manner and meet laboratories' flexibility needs, IDS manufactures a great portion of products in-house. The production of these parts includes everything from basic frames to entire assemblies, from sheet metal processing to plastics and consumables production. This thorough user focus is a sign of maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction. With the introduction of our latest automated factory, IDS is manufacturing products using a world-class production and quality system. As we view the intake of raw materials into the production line, you can observe through the next several steps the automation and precision with which basic frames are initially cut, folded, and welded. These frames are then moved through the automated paint and drying facility. Once completed, these modules are transported onto the sub-assembly line. Here, they are populated with more functional components, such as conveyor belt assemblies, electronics, and transport arms, and on into the assembly area for the welding of key components. As sub-assembly completes, the individual models are automatically transported to the final test areas, where the modules are put through their final assembly test protocols. With the introduction of our latest automated factory, IDS is manufacturing products using a world-class production and quality system. IDS has built positive relationships with clinical laboratories worldwide for more than 30 years. This has been accomplished through a deep understanding of the clinical laboratory demands and our resulting contributions to the automation of clinical laboratory testing. In this field, where accurate, safe, and prompt clinical laboratory testing is a requirement, our mission and challenge is the continued creation of valued products that continue to delight our customers worldwide. From now on, our efforts will continue to evolve to realize true customer satisfaction.